Hi team, I'm getting the error while importing accurig animation. I am using accurig motion as radical. It's not retargeting the animation properly. Okay, so you're using accurig because radical has not updated their services until now. Hence, radical retargeting is a bit, little bit weird because it is not updated and properly to the metahuman. But when we created our course, right, at that time, Radical was the best to like converting into and retargeting. At that time, Radical was the best. But now as the time has been like passed, it's been 1 year. So accurate motion. So there are more softwares now which are better than Radical now, right? So he's using accurate motion to animate properly the MetaHuman FBX. This file is added, but animation is not. Please help. I'm stuck in this one 2 3 weeks. So that is huge time actually. MetaHuman FBX file. That means that will be the animation file. FBX is the animation file, but the animation is not getting added. So when you are importing the animation, make sure you set the same skeleton of that animation, right? So when you are importing an FBX animation, you will get an option of importing that FBX file. So select skeletal mesh, and what skeletal mesh? The skeleton of you need to select a skeleton, right? Not a skeletal mesh. A skeleton you need to select. So select the skeleton of the metahuman that you want to use, right? Or what the animation is made for. So whenever I will import any animation, right, will make sure that my animation will have, if the animation is for body, then I will import the animation for this skeletal mesh. So you need to select this skeletal mesh, or you will not directly get to set this skeletal mesh, but you will get to set the metahuman skeletal mesh. There is a base metahuman skeletal mesh, metahuman base scale. This is what you have to select.